ngayon lang na report na sinasabi po dito, noong 2016 up to 2025, meron daw pong 87.1B na insertion ang Davao City. Pwede po ba pakikumpirma po ninyo to?
For accuracy, Mr. Chair, of my response, I have to check the records in the office because I do not have the data. I cannot confirm those numbers, and I'll have to check with the records, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. Now, dito po sa 2016 to 2025, 48.4B noong pong taong 2019 to 2021. That is 60% of the 81.1B na infra project for that period. Pwede po ba pakiconfirm po ito?
Again, I have to check, Your Honor, because I'm not accurate. I'm not certain about the number on the published news of Politico, Your Honor.
Sandali na po, Chairman Joel. I will confront you with the quote in the news report. Kasi kanina po yung sinasabi na hindi nyo maalala, ipapaalala ko sa inyo. This is the Politico article. DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral confirmed the report circulating on social media in a television interview. Base sa report ng aming programming division, we confirm na yun pong mga amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa National Expenditure Program, NEP, ng DPWH at yun pong General Appropriations Act, GAA, sa distritong ito, ay tama po, and we confirm those budget. So, naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
I guess I barely remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
No, it's just a question of a yes or a no. Do you remember it or no? Because it's a
yes, Your
it's an
Honor.
actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. Kung,
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yes, you remember, or yes, you don't remember?
I don't remember
No, I am
exactly.
confronting you with the actual quote. So the only question there is, do you remember stating that quote, or you do not remember stating that quote?
I remember, Your Honor.
You remember stating that quote, and if you remember stating that quote, do you confirm the information in that quote? That you confirm those amounts na nabanggit, excuse me, let me finish, amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa NEP ng DPWH at yun pong GAA sa distritong ito. Therefore, the distrito po of Congressman Paulo Duterte ay tama po, and we confirm those budget.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.